one of the screws on your products isn't tightened properly, it's not such a big deal, is it? Of course not. Unless it leads to problems at a critical moment. That's when customers get upset. Partners walk away, or even worse, the environment is harmed and serious accidents happen. For your business, that can mean severe damage to your reputation, financial claims, and in the worst-case scenario, legal consequences. So stay on the safe side and make sure every screw is rock solid. With battery-powered tightening tools from HST, our tools come with a built-in sensor. It precisely measures the torque and stops right at the required level. Plus, it tracks exactly how deep the screw is driven and for how long. If it doesn't meet the required values, our tightening tool sounds the alarm. That means any mistakes can be caught during assembly. Our tightening tools can store up to 100 different tightening profiles. Just scan the barcode and everything is set up perfectly. Over 37 years, we've gained the trust of many well-known companies. Tighten every screw securely. Fill out the contact form on our website today.